King TV. Exclusive. Hey guys, iKing TV. So, like I said before, I'm going to be doing this unboxing of my new Apple wireless keyboard. Here it is. My iPad 2, my mom and my wife got together and bought it for me because I whined for one so much. This is really bad video. I'm sorry about the quality of this video. I usually use my iPhone 4 to do my videos, but since I took a lot of my apps off to put on my iPad and I didn't realize the ones I needed for my videos, I was taken off. This is what I'm stuck with for now until I get a new battery for my original camera. So, like I was saying, my mom and my wife bought my iPad 2 for me, and I finally got my Apple wireless keyboard. Now, this keyboard I got from Radio Shack. It's $69.99. Radio Shack does give you the opportunity to purchase either a 1 year or a 2 year additional warranty on it. It comes with a 1 year limited warranty. I did get the 1 year additional warranty. It was like $9.99. You can get the 2 years for $18.99, but I stuck with the one. So here is the keyboard. This is the Apple wireless keyboard. You can use it for your iPads. You can use it for your Macs. The Apple desktop. It's that brushed aluminum, brushed metal, whatever you want to call it. It's really, really thin, and it's very light. Has all the keys that a normal keyboard would have. Some of the keys on here I was told wouldn't work with the iPad. That would be working with your Mac. So don't be too disappointed. I'm pretty sure you guys will figure out which ones will work with your iPad and which ones will not. Like I said, it's very thin. See how thin that is? It's really thin. It's brushed metal. All the keys that you'll be using on a regular keyboard are here. On the back is a white, kind of a white plastic glossy finish on it. See the Apple logo there. I have no idea what this is for, but your power button is here. What you do is you hold that power button down for like 3 to 4 seconds maybe. This is where your batteries will be in here. 2 AA batteries. And you just use a coin. They don't give you a tool to open this. They do let you know to use a coin to open it, and that's how you would be changing your batteries. This keyboard is not chargeable. You can use rechargeable batteries if you like. I prefer rechargeable batteries. That way I won't have to keep buying batteries over and over. I'm not exactly sure how long of lifespan this keyboard would have with batteries. It depends on the type of battery that you buy. I usually buy Rayovac rechargeable batteries. My keyboard is on now. I synced it. Yep, it is. Yes, I just synced it to my iPad. Now, of course, the iPad would work good with. It'll work good with the iPad. It works with your Mac. It works with the desktop, the Apple desktop. The keyboard and the instruction manual comes in there. Let's open this up. What is this? That's Mexican. I can't even read that. This is your limited warranty for your Apple keyboard, your Apple accessory. This is the Bluetooth regulatory certification for model number A1314. So that's the Bluetooth certification for this keyboard. And this is the instruction manual for your Apple wireless keyboard. Again, this keyboard was $69.99 at Radio Shack. Comes with a 1 year limited warranty. Radio Shack does give you the opportunity to buy an additional 1 year warranty for $9.99 or an additional 2 year warranty for $18.99. I opted for the 1 year $9.99. You can order this keyboard from the Apple website. You can get it from the Apple website, Radio Shack. You can also get it from Best Buy. Some Walmarts and some Targets do carry them. This is just one of the accessories that I chose to purchase for my iPad. I've had my iPad for maybe a week and a half. I'm loving it. I did a review for it, but unfortunately the review was done on my iPhone, and I use iMovie to edit my audio and my picture and all that. And I took iMovie off of my iPhone. It's currently on my iPad too. Again, hopefully I'll find a way to transfer the video over to my iPad, and I'll post it up onto YouTube. Let me know what you guys think. Like the video. Subscribe to my new channel, iKing TV. That's IK1NG TV. Let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know what you want. You know, I don't want to just do reviews that I enjoy. You know, reviews that there are things that I like. I want to know what you, the viewers, want to see. I do have quite a few videos that I have recorded. I just haven't had a chance to post them to my new YouTube page. I do, however, have another YouTube page, MRT0KY01. I haven't figured out how to transfer those videos over, so I'm just starting from scratch. This is my first video. Again, this is iKing TV. You guys can check me at Renee Wilson on Facebook, MRT0KY01. You can catch me on Twitter, MRT0KY01. You can subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to my other YouTube channel, MRT0KY01, my Fit and Tech channel. I will be doing technology reviews and supplement reviews for supplement companies like Muscle Tech, Gaspari Nutrition, the GNC brand, stuff like that, because I'm really into fitness and I'm really into technology. Those are two things that I absolutely love. So you guys let me know what you like. Click like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys later. Deuces.